Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So this video is about how to transfer grid lines from a photo to a paper. So we have this gridded portrait. We have about 12 rows and about 18 columns. So 12 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 12, and then we have about 17 rows, and then we want to transfer it on the piece of paper, kind of enlarge it. So this is how to do it. I'm going to make use of a ruler, a steel ruler, and then I'm going to be using, here we have millimeter, and also we have centimeter here, and also below that we have inches. So I'm going to be making use of the inches to make it bigger. So we have about 12 columns. I'm going to say one column to represent 1 inch, and also for the row, one row to represent 1 inch. So that's good as I'm gonna do it. So starting off with the columns, I'm gonna place it on the paper. So here's our 12 columns, 12 columns, but we want to have like a borderline around the piece of paper. I'd also want to centralize this 12 columns, so we're gonna mark a point where the 12 columns end, and then get the distance of this remaining part, divide into 2, and then place one part here and place one part so we can centralize it in the middle. So when we measure, it's about 1 2 3 4 5. It's about 5.4 meters. And then we'll divide it by 2. .4 divided by 2, that's 54, divided by 2, 25, that's about 27 meters. So we're gonna get 27 at this edge. That's 2.7. Go 2.5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Mark a point, and then go above it, get another 2.7. 2.5, 6, 7, and then also going to do that for this side. Get it 2.7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6. Mark a point, and above that get another 2.7. Point 5. not quite sure about this one, so I'm gonna do it again. 2.5. Okay, this is more accurate. Let's just check this one. 2.7. Okay, that's good. So we're gonna roll a line, connect the two dots. Let's connect the two lines together. We're gonna draw very lightly because we're still gonna erase these lines later, so we don't want it to be too thick. Just gonna try and connect the two dots we have here. From bottom to top. So this gives us the liberty to now start to centralize the margins. So we now want to place the columns. So we have 12 columns. So we're going to mark the points of the columns. Do one below, do one at the top, and then we connect it. So we're going to go 1 inch represent one column. So we're going to start marking the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and there you go, 12. And above that, we're also gonna let's turn it this way so we can we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The next step is just to connect the lines. We'll start from the right. Connect the lines, connect the dots. Main. It's good to use a long ruler so you can just go once instead of drawing the lines twice. Just make sure it's very close to the dot and then you put a line. Takes a lot of patience to draw using grid lines. I'm gonna keep going. Close to the dot and then you connect it with the line. This grid method allows you to draw more accurately. Also, professionals also use it to draw their portraits, especially those large piece of work. Gonna keep going to get to the 12th column. Make sure it's close to the dot. Then you put your line. Close to the dot. Keep adjusting till it's very real close. Put your line. So just gonna go going. Then we have one more column to do, and then we are done with the columns. Then we're gonna go to the row. Position it close, and then we'll put our line. Very good. We are done with the columns. Then we're gonna go back to our reference. When we check out our reference, we have about 17 column rows, running horizontally. So we're still gonna make use of inches. So we have about 17. So when we place it on the paper, this gives us exactly almost 17, but we got like 17.1. So if we divide that by 2, we have about 1 inch. 17.1. So we're gonna just push it to the end so we get stuff from the top and so we're just gonna mark the points. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We'll do that on this side as well. And then we are done, we just connect the dots, push it to the edge. try to make the dots a bit thicker so you can see as well. We'll go 1, go 2, go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and there you go to 17. Next step is just to connect this length. Connect the lines from left to right. And that one, move on to the next one. Position it close to the dots and then just connect the lines. Next. Just keep going. It takes a lot of patience, but the final result is always brilliant. It's always accurate. Going, position it close to the line. Close to the line. Then we'll put some of the dots. Close to the line. Close to the point. I mean the dots, and then close to the point. Connect the dots. Close to the point. Connect. Oops, this one moved a bit, so just gonna check it again. Just draw the line. Next one. And then color the lines, points. This is the last one, I think. On the last. Okay. Then we have the final line. I'm gonna connect it. So there you go. So if we look at our reference photo, see this is quite smaller, so we've been able to enlarge it, make it more bigger, and cover the piece of paper rather than just having this small photo and just small on the page. We'll be able to make it, the lines a bit bigger, covering the page, so we can number it. So we've got 12 columns, so we're just going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then we'll have about 18 rows. So row 1, row 2, row 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Actually 17 rows. So there you go. This is how to transfer your grid lines from your reference photo to a piece of paper. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you guys later. Next video I will be drawing using the grid lines, actually drawing the the outline of the image on the paper. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.